How to add a new address on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon shopping app. Now this is the home page. All what you have to do is simple. Click here on this country. Now click on manage address book. After you click on address book, now all what you have to do is simple. Click add new address right here. As you can see, now you can add a new address from here, and after you finish, click add address. It's so easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.